So,
Lil Rayn.
I'm in.
Check it. This goes out to all my Ilokanos out there. Yeah. Check it. Mic check. Yeah. Boy, come here. I'm a young Ilokano. Yeah, tougher than Ryan Snappy. Yeah, Tim Booyog. Compared to your peers, this isn't fair. We're on ice, very real. Please drop down to your knees. Through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my eyes. I can see my mom and daddy pay for me. Cause the seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of the apple. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father. Man, I miss my papa. Gotta make them proud on the daily. I'm just trying to make them happy. You can catch them, you can stop them. I go by the 10 rules. If you can beat them, then you mop 'em. You can stab them, then you drop them. Then you can them, then you pop them. You pop them cause you pop them like overred and baka. Yeah. Manong, I'm ill. Ilokano. A Timpuyug here, a Timpuyug there. Nice song with long hair with Timpuyug in the air. Represent the finest here at the office, Akawili. Hoping that he will see me, make me the best I can be. He's a teach, he's a man, he's a solver of the problem. Okay, if you need him, go to the teachers often. Nothing, they ain't scared of nothing. On some tough issues, they can always help, man. When it's academic, say that you need help to me. When it's private, they can help you right quick. Yeah. Don't worry, there's no tricks. Yeah, I ain't been out with. I ain't shy no more ever since I made the switch. Yeah, Timpuyug I pick. So when you need the money, come apply for a scholarship. I ain't tricking, you might get it when you're major and you pass. You can get this. Mono, Ilokano, not sick. When we have events like the picnic and the banquet, raise money quick. When we need it, try it. Yeah, Mono, Ilokano. Mayatagiti klase apara kanyak kadagiti professors get agyamanak huda isudagiti manong kin manang susuruin da kam lalaki kin babalasang agadal kam dito you all knew that true Ilokano insurudak amin dagiti that I know A-E-I-O-U are our vowels magustuhan mitigaw dali chai class for hours. Yeah, Pinoy power, learning the history cause it's ours. Using language in the class for 2 hours. IP teaches about people power. Dramafest portraying stuff that makes us cower. Ilokano pride like sitting on the tower. Boy, I got so many classes that I'm all drowsy. Boy, when I step into class, I'm no longer lousy. Timpuyug helps me to complete me. Teachers are confident, there's no doubting. I do what I do and you do what you can do about it. These classes keep my mind sprouting. Damn me, so that I can see there are good people around me. They don't see me, but they hear me. They can feel me, they can clear me. I'm Ilokano, yeah. I'm Ilokano. Tempe, repeat this beat. I'm Ilokano. Yeah, I giggle cause I'm ticklish. It's Lil Rayn signing out. Everybody, see you next time. Alright, check it. Yeah, I'm ticklish. I'm so ticklish. Stop tickling me. Yeah, I laugh.
Okay, the mama have a swag like mine. She even wear her on her bag like mine. I make it feel right when it's wrong like mine. Man, she never had a look like mine. Man, I ain't never seen her ass like her. That pussy in my mouth made me lost for words.
lollipop now.